Okay, food is ready, but the tool is not yet here. I don't know what they like. Oh, is eating. Come, Ming Ming. Oh, your food is here. Faster. It's yummy. You don't like? You don't like that? Oh, Ming Ming is very picky. So, nothing. She don't like, but Milky eat everything. So finish the other one, and then we go to the other plate. Here's another plate. Ka. Wala nang maiwan sa inyo. Chocolate will eat all. Oh, coming. Come. Fast. Fast. Oh. Very good. Still. Ming is not eating. Mamimili ng food. Yan, itong dalawa. Ang lakas kumain. Lalamon. The very fat one. Ang init. So, mainit na. Sabi na natin. Super hot na. Kumakain ang ating mga fish. Asa na si... Inubos mo na yan lang. Inubos mo na lahat chocolate. Wala, inubos mo na lahat. Oh, oh. Remember, this one. Si ano pa mag-abre dito. Oh, napay daghan diha. Oh. Have lots of food. Oh. Pus na. Pagkada po ng irin. Ambot. Orang isa, sige taon. Ihurot ka tanan. Taon, ang isa nilakaw na. Oh, still eating. Hi, God. Tapusin na natin ang video ng ating mga katis. Bye-bye!